2, 1. Here we go right now. We're going to talk about this after hour trades in the wide bid and ask. Resume. Here we are after our earnings. We have NUA that just came out. They beat by 5 cents. They beat on revs and they raise fiscal 11 guidance. So the upside guidance is going to be EPS of $1.20 to $1.23 versus $1.09 of Reuters consensus. Previous guidance of $1.07 to $1.10. C's, here it is, 2011 revs of 530 to 540 million versus the 530 million. Okay, so they did have a 14.1% year over year to 124.5 million versus the 123.2 million consensus. So that's a good thing. As far as this name goes, we're just seeing some after hour prints right here in the time and sells. Okay, the bid and the ask is 3101 by 3250 right now. Okay, that's the bid and the ask. So we've got wide bid and ask across the board on some of these earnings. Okay, the thing about it is career education, they beat their earnings. We've already talked about them. So all of these companies beat their earnings, and you can see the wide bid and ask in after hours. There isn't much of a market because there's only, you have to scale these markets. You have to tighten these up. This one here, you want to get below the bid and see if someone throws off to you, because in after hours these things run differently, and we can see where the Whole Foods was. We can also see a tick chart right here on FARO Tech. There was a tick, 42.40 down. This can't be the right one. Let's get back over here. Let's move that out of the way. FARO 42.27. Well, there was a 42.20 bid, so they're finally getting a print here. But look at the wide bid and ask, 40.75, 39.23. It's the pricing control in these kinds of names in after hours that we're teaching the new SMF MMTs. Not like your high beta internet stocks that have big price movement that you're used to. So you can see what some of these other kinds of names on how wide the bid and ask was early on. Some of these bid and ask were $6 wide, $3 wide, and they are still wide, so they're illiquid today. These names right here all beat their earnings, every one of them, except for FARO Tech. They missed by a penny. So we have lots of opportunities to see tomorrow morning how they'll trade intraday, and we'll have to take a look at the weekly charts as well. So that's going to be the key for these particular names for tomorrow morning's trading.